Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be going over what I think is the best affordable Hypebeast sneaker, or sort of Hypebeast. It may look that way. It's personally a really good model in my opinion from the company that I bought the sneaker from, and you know, it's just, I'm really happy that I got it too. I got it for a great price at $65, which is really cheap for the sneaker, and it is legit. So, you know, I'm just happy I got a really good deal for it because I got some 20% off code that, you know, was just for the time that I bought it. So I don't know why I'm sharing this. It's sort of pointless, but if you guys think you'll enjoy this video, y'all can drop a like, y'all can subscribe, and the giveaway winner is going to be announced in the next few days on New Year's. I promise that, and that's what's going to happen. And yeah, I'm really excited to be doing this, so I just hope you guys will enjoy the video. It's going to be a fun one. I'm going to enjoy it, and hopefully y'all will too. And also, if y'all want to, I never do this, I never share this, but I'm about to hit 4K on Instagram, so if y'all want to go follow me down below on Instagram at Tristan.Wick or add me on Snapchat at Tristan.Wick, I'd appreciate it both. It'd mean a lot to me. And you know, I'll be adding some of y'all back, and I may follow a couple of y'all back, because you know, I'm just trying to follow more people now. So if y'all want to do that, go ahead. But we're getting into unboxing this Nike sneaker. Put the big sign on the side, front of the box. I covered it up, and you know, we're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna unbox it using scissors. Hopefully that, you know, that'll get the job done. You know, it's just, this isn't quite doing it. Hold up, I gotta get it better. Oh, y'all didn't see my new Apple Earpods? Yeah, my Earpods. Yeah, these things that everyone's been posting on their stories. Yes, these are my Apple Earpods. Yes, the Bluetooth ones, the ones without the wires. Yeah, these. Yeah, the ones with the, oh yeah, the case, the one that goes like this. Yeah, these. Yeah, that's what, yeah, my Apple Earpods, these ones. Look, I didn't get these for Christmas. I've had these. But if you got a pair of these for Christmas, please stop posting them in your story. Please stop taking every single picture you can in them. It doesn't matter, all right? It really doesn't matter. Like, stop. I don't know why I was actually upset about that, but let's get back to this. That's open, so get this. We're opening this box. Not really gonna take good care of it. Send me an invoice. I appreciate it, Nike. I appreciate it. I think that's a return label too. So, you know, if they send me the wrong thing, like 2 right shoes, which by the way, if y'all don't know, I do track and cross country. So I've ordered a pair of really good running shoes because they're like one of the best. And look what they did. Great running shoes. Got them for a super good deal. Anything weird about these sneakers? Go ahead. Try and find it out. Yeah, they sent me 2 right shoes. So yeah, sorry, I can't even use these, so I need to return it still, and I haven't gotten to that. But let's please continue this. It's really my second pair of shoes. I know I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. So here is the box for the sneakers. Box, the just sort of OG red Nike box. Same box that like I think Air Maxes come in some of them, and you know, just really basic one. I'm not gonna show that part yet, but yeah, Nike symbol right there. Yeah, size 9.5 is the one I got. They retail at $75 suggested. I got them for $65, which is awesome. And we're gonna unbox these. Whoosh. And whoosh. Nike Cortez. Again, this is just one of my favorite sneakers ever, period. I just love the design in it. So here it is. It's really nice in person. You got the bottom, sort of the sole waffle part. Y'all can see that. It's really clean, really crisp. And then this part right here, yeah, I like this. This is the thumbnail right here. It's my Tony T Do Wild impression. See that? Yeah. And then yeah, it's really inside too. There's the red part. That's just like the colorway goes well together. You know, the blue part right here, like the inner sole part, and then the white sole, and then just the red stripe, the red swoosh, and on the back it says Nike. And then also on the top, not to mention, it says Cortez 72, because that's when the sneaker came out in 72. So yeah, you know, this is just, again, really nice together. Like, look at that. I personally am a huge fan. I'm gonna put these over so y'all can actually see it in detail. Y'all see that? You may be able to see the Cortez 72 on it. The Nike symbol. Just look at the colors. Like, it's really nice leather too, not to mention like on the fronts, good leather, and all around the sneaker, just it's a good leather sneaker. So again, one of my favorites this year. I'm super happy that I got it. And you know, it didn't even come out this year, but on the inside too, so like, I don't know what kind of material this is on the inside, but it's not like regular sneakers. And you know, the sneaker's sort of unique. It's really comfortable too. I'm feeling it inside. Seems like it'd be comfortable to wear it, and I'm gonna be wearing them a lot too, I'm sure, with my sweatpants. These actually might go nice. I'm wearing all navy right now, which doesn't really make sense, but I feel like these would even go nice with it. Like, this actually would be a nice sneaker to wear. So I'm super glad that I got these. Just one of my favorite sneakers. I'm really happy to have it. I don't think I really need to discuss it too much more. I've really brought up everything about it, the inside, the bottoms, the colorway. The colorway is just America too, not to mention red, white, and blue, solid. And you know, it's just a really I don't know, fashionable sneaker. Maybe it is, I don't know. What do you guys consider fashion? That's something you guys can put down below. I don't know, I just think it's nice, it looks comfortable. That's really all I can say. It's just good. I'm super glad to have it. I actually found another really cool quality on the sneaker. I messed it up sort of there, but if you guys see, maybe able to see this, the tongue, it basically says Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are the trademarks and guarantee of quality, which I admire. You know, I sort of said that weird, but you know, like, look, yeah, made in Indonesia. And I like that. I like that they're actually branding quality. All right, but on foot, I can say these run true to size. I'm a 9.5, and these fit snug. They're comfortable. They're not really too tight. I could loosen them a bit, but really, they're pretty comfortable sneakers. I'd say I like them. They look good in foot. I mean, with what I'm wearing, they're not that bad. I'd say, you know, it's a bit of variety. You know, they got some blue in them. They got some red. They got some white. You know, things I explained earlier. But yeah, it's a comfortable sneaker too. Not to mention, like, I'm walking in these. These are comfy. These are comfy sneakers. And, you know, definitely lives up to its name. You know, being one of the OG Nike models, it's super comfortable. So I'm glad to have it, glad to own it now. And, you know, I got it for a good price. So that's why I'm considering this like one of the best affordable sneakers, because for the price, it's really good quality. And they even put it and branded on the sneakers. So that's just another thing to show. The sneaker represents quality. And, I mean, this is comfortable. But that's really it for this video. So if y'all did enjoy it, y'all can go ahead, y'all can subscribe below, you can drop a like. And I appreciate it. You know, y'all can go check out my recent videos too. Follow me on Instagram down below. I'll link some of that stuff down below. So if you feel like checking it, go ahead. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget, I'll be following back some of y'all, and I'm promising that. Yeah, that's really it. Enjoy your Saturday, because that's when this video is going to be out. And I appreciate the love as usual. So thank y'all for watching. Road to 22K. And yeah, giveaway winners coming soon too. So that's it. No more speaking for me. Just peace out.